Got a 1936 Singer 201. Serial number is AE309288. I've got 6 layers of denim, and just to show you how well the machine stitches. This was already stitched once for a photo used in the ad. You can see slow and fast. So there's power even when it's not full speed. There you can see it's got an equal stitch on both sides. Next I've got 4 layers of vinyl upholstery, and it was the same thing, stitched once. There you can see that's got equal stitch. And then finally a 1/8 inch thick piece of belt. It's sort of like leather, vinyl combination of materials. And there you have it.